time is. Don't worry, I've got this.
The Amazing World of Gumball, every weekday at 2:30 on your Cartoon Network. The world can be a scary place.
It's not so bad.
But
The civil authority has issued a civil danger warning for the following counties or areas: Maricopa, Arizona, at 7:43 p.m. on January 26, 2023. Effective until 9:14 p.m. Message from DIREC-TV. This is an urgent civil emergency message from the Phoenix Police Department. The Phoenix Police Department is asking all residents to remain vigilant at this time. At 7:40 p.m., an unusual creature was spotted in the middle of downtown Phoenix. This creature has been identified as a humanized lizard-like creature with purple glowing scar-like patterns on its chest with gray and black scale patterns. This creature is also wearing a 3-lens night vision goggles with a purple glow, black gloves, and waist belt. This creature is violently attacking residents in downtown Phoenix with the ability to pummel anyone until they are knocked out. This creature also has the ability to run into residents and knock them down, and cause a lot of destruction around the city of Phoenix. It is unknown where this originated from. As of right now, all residents are advised to remain vigilant and remain alert. Do not attempt to fight back, as this will most certainly put your life in extreme danger. If you see this creature, run away and hide in a safe location. Tune into media outlets for further information.
Bears. Nuts.com has over 1,400 delicious snacks to satisfy every craving. Enjoy every flavor of happy and get free shipping on your first order.
That sizzle? That's the soundtrack of Chipotle.
The soundtrack of